So this is company Movesea and we are located in the International Palma Boat Show in Mallorca. So here's the product which we brought with us. So this is the scooters. This is like more professional scooters. They have like two different colors, so the red one and the green one. So like they have 3 different modes, so different speed that you can like go in. The maximum rate is like 8 kilometers per hour. This is one like the professional as well, but they like a bit more cheaper and they have just 2 different modes. And they have like 2 different colors as well, which is white and black. And these ones, like they have 3 different colors. They have 1 speed, so 1 mode. These ones, they are for children who are till 25 kilograms. The battery for all of these scooters that I showed is removable, so it's not a problem. You can charge anytime you want and put up the new one. And here we have underwater drones that is like amateur ones, and this one more for professionals. I'm not going to go deep into details because they have a lot of different features. So if you have any question, you can text us directly in social media. Also, let's go, I will show you what else we have in our stand. So here's like underwater scooter that you can put, like that is used for children. So you just like press the button and you go. Also we have new device that's called sea bike. So you go under the water and you like just with your legs move it and you fly. And here we were trying with our like guests, we were showing the scooters, how it works. All of the guests are wishing like to buy scooters. And also we have new dive system from the United States. It's called Neymar. So it goes depth under 3 meters. And you just breathe the air that goes outside, and the battery works for 1 hour. And also our company continues to grow our assortment, so now we have electric bicycle that you can ride. And now I will go to look around what else in this show.